Hi everyone, welcome back to the Yukie Coco Channel. I've got a request for Chicken Namban. This is fried chicken with sweet and sour sauce, and it has tartar sauce on the top. The sweet and sour taste and crispiness of the chicken are perfect for hot weather. Although this dish originated in Miyazaki's small city, Chicken Namban is getting its popularity and recognition throughout Japan. I'm going to make this dish from scratch, so let's begin. So there are 5 steps. Step 1. Make tartar sauce. Step 2. Make sweet and sour sauce. Step 3. Deep fry the chicken. Step 4. Immerse the chicken into the sweet and sour sauce. 5. Finish up. To make 2 servings of tartar sauce, you need 100 grams of cucumber, 100 grams of onion, 1 boiled egg, 200 grams of mayonnaise, 15 grams of tomato ketchup, and 20 grams of sugar. As a start, mash the boiled egg. Continue to finely chop the onion and cucumber. Once it's finished, sprinkle with salt and set the bowl aside for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, place the chopped cucumbers and onions on a cotton cloth and rub them. Then squeeze it by hands to remove excess water. This is one of the most used techniques of my grandmother that I remember. Finally, mix all the ingredients well. The ingredients for sweet and sour sauce are dark soy sauce 100 ml, light soy sauce 100 ml, mirin 50 ml, rice vinegar 200 ml, a pinch of salt, 2 pieces of chili pepper, sugar 200 grams. Once all the ingredients are in the pan, heat and simmer until the sugar is completely dissolved. Put the sweet and sour sauce in a deep plate and set it aside. Sprinkle the chicken with flour and dip the chicken in egg wash. Deep fry the chicken until it turns perfectly golden brown. Immerse the chicken in the sweet and sour sauce about 30 seconds. Finish with plenty of tartar sauce on the fried chicken. おいしい。作ってみてね。めっちゃおいしい。